Hey guys, so this is the Mi 6X aka Mi A1 2018. Yes, we finally have our first live look of this smartphone. So starting with the front design, we have a 18:9 screen to body ratio which looks exactly similar to what we have seen in the Redmi 5 Plus. I think the device is running the latest MIUI 9 operating system. If you don't know, Xiaomi recently announced swipe gestures for the full screen devices. So yeah, I think Mi 6X is definitely coming in built with that feature. Talking about the Mi A2 or Mi A1 2018, it will run Android 8.1 Oreo cause I don't think Google will release Android P this early. Maybe it will get Android P later in 2018. Alright, so the biggest change in the design is the back panel. As you can see, we have curves on the sides, probably for a good grip. The camera is now vertically aligned with LED flash in between, exactly like the iPhone 10. We also have the fingerprint scanner, so definitely a good move from Xiaomi. The specifications are still unknown, but I think Xiaomi is gonna use Snapdragon 630 processor, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage, quick charging, and better camera than the Mi A1. The only thing that Mi A1 camera lagged was the electronic image stabilization, and I really hope this time Xiaomi implements EIS. I'm really not expecting optical image stabilization. I mean, of course, they will save it for flagship smartphones, but at least please give EIS in the Mi 6X slash Mi A1 2018. So yeah, that's all. I will definitely notify you if I get any information on the Mi A1 2018. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, and peace out.